Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you that how you can use variables in CSS file. Yes, you heard the right thing. I said variables in CSS file. So the variables we are using into the JS file or TypeScript file or any programming framework or library, right? But we are not using the variables into CSS file. In CSS file we generally using the classes, only the classes to declare our style, right? But what if I can show you that we can use the variables? And if you getting still confused, little bit confused, so stay with me, and we'll complete the journey. At the end of this video you will get why and when variable is useful. So stay with me, let's get started. So first of all, how to declare a variable, let's get see that first. Okay, so first of all you need to find, I am using the React project, React library. My project is into the React, and you have to find the index CSS file, which is a global. Why it is global? Because it is declared into the or imported into the index.js file, which is here. Okay, so that's why I am declaring a variable into the index CSS file. So keep this thing into mind that this variable is accessible throughout the project. Okay, so you can access this variable into any CSS files which later on you can which created by you. That what I mean. Okay, so what you have to write, like root, then I'm going to type the color. So for declaring the variable you have to do this, like double dash, then I'm naming it like primary, not, yeah, spelling mistake, primary color. Okay, my primary color was, I will take a yellow, that's fine for now. Okay, but I don't want to keep yellow as a simple yellow, so I would say like red. Why this color is not coming here? Okay, fine. What I'm going to do is I will change something like this. Let me copy from here and paste it here. Fine, yeah, there we go. So let me change it to yellow little bit. Okay, fine. This is my primary color. Yeah, so this is a variable, keep this thing in mind. Okay, now my little small setup is what I did, that I have created two components, component 1, component 2, and I have created two separated CSS files for them, like component CSS1 and this is 2. Okay, so in component 1 I imported component 1 CSS and component 2 CSS into component 2, and this both component I have imported into the one single component, component 1 and 2, so we can see them simultaneously. Okay, so this is the thing, I'm component 1, I'm component 2, very basic setup. Okay, now what I'm going to do, in component 1 I have used this comp 1, and in this component 2, comp 2, this is my classes. So I am going to declare these classes into the their respective CSS files. So what I am going to do is typing the color, and instead of pick the color from this, I am gonna use this variable. Now see this, what we have to write, var, this is the function. In that we have to write dash dash, and you can easily access this primary color which you have wrote into the index CSS file. So this variable is accessible to your any custom CSS file. That what I mean to say. See, primary color, and let me create one more secondary color. Okay, this is secondary color. Let me change the color of this, like that's fine. Let me save it. In the component 2 CSS I'm going to use that one. Okay, so color, and you have to write where, double dash, and you can access this secondary color over here. Now see the magic. This will applied to our this component 1 and 2 whatever we wrote. Okay, so this color is applied. See this, component 1 and component 2. So this is the magic of variable that declare once and you can use it anywhere. So this is a simple example of color, but by using this variable you can manage the whole project theme as well, like a dark theme and white theme, switching to dark theme and white theme. So that kind of stuff you can perform. Also there is a lots of thing, like you can declare your primary text, like you, if you want some, like primary text should be bold or italic or something like that, and secondary text should be some smaller or less bold. That kind of stuff you can perform directly, and you can access those into the any custom css created by you. So that's it for now. If you have any kind of question, comment down below. Thank you so much.